Okay, this is my Honda generator. eu3000. Runs nice and quiet. It's got a pull start backup right here, but it is electric start. I'll show you that in a second. It is working fine. I just have this plugged in over there just to show the inverter is working good. I'll shut it off here. It has 120 output here, a couple different modes. Here, eco throttle basically will throttle it down when it doesn't sense a power draw. And this is just your fuel shut off. Here's your choke. There it is. It's really quiet. It's great for using any area, any place that you don't want a lot of noise. If you're camping and in an area with other people nearby and you don't want to bother them, this thing runs really quiet. You can see I'm able to talk over it without a problem. So it's about as loud as an air conditioner, I'd say. But there it is. That's the Honda eu3000is. So you can even charge like an external battery there. That option. You can see I've got good output. Anyway, thanks for watching.